This Japanese cabbage pancake is called Okonomiyaki. Okonomi means whatever you like, and yaki, grilled. I'm going to show you the basics of this recipe: the batter with green cabbage, and I make my version with bacon and a sauce. You can adapt it by putting the ingredients you like. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by preparing the batter. In a mixing bowl, put 200 grams of wheat flour, 50 grams of potato starch, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix again. Put 2 eggs. Combine. Add little by little 35 centiliters of water. We obtain a batter without lumps. Add 1 tablespoon of dashi powder. Mix until dissolved. Cover and leave in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now make the sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, and 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Mix. Keep it in the fridge. Mince 3 green onions, 250 grams of green cabbage, and 50 grams of pickled ginger. Grate 50 grams of cheese. Finely cut 3 shallots. In a pan heated to medium heat, put 10 centiliters of vegetable oil. Put the shallots. Stir from time to time. When the shallots start to be golden, turn on low heat and constantly stir. When they are golden like this, drain them. Keep the oil. Dry a sheet of nori seaweed over the fire for about 20 seconds. Blend it to flakes. Take the batter out of the fridge. Briefly mix and add the green cabbage, the pickled ginger, the cheese, The green onion, keep some to put on the pancakes. Some ground pepper. Combine. In a pan heated over medium heat, put 1 tablespoon of shallot oil. When the oil is hot, put a ladle of the butter. Put 4 slices of bacon on. Cover for 3 minutes. Remove the lid and leave for another 2 minutes. Gently check the pan from time to time for uneven cooking. Turn the pancake cover and let it grill for 5 minutes. Flip it over and leave a last minute to brown the underside of the pancake. Sprinkle with the fried shallots, a little sesame seeds, the nori seaweed flakes, the sauce, the mayonnaise, the green onion, the dry bonito flakes. The heat makes them dance. The okonomiyaki is ready. Bon appétit! You can prepare your okonomiyaki in advance. If necessary, reheat them in a pan. They will be a little crispy. Top them all at the same time, just before eating. The ingredients that I use are rich in flavor and umami: dashi, bonito flakes, cheese, nori seaweed, Worcestershire sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.